TMZ releases new pictures of Archie's first pub outing, dinner and pints for dad. So TMZ got exclusive pictures of Harry, allegedly, and Meghan with her thick, luscious hair. And I don't know why this woman's face is blurred out. Let's read the article. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle are giving their royal baby a taste of the commoner's life. So 2 weeks ago, they went out to this pub, and the pub denied that they were there. No one saw them or snapped pictures. So now they're releasing pictures. You know, everyone has a camera. And they were there on a holiday, one of these British holidays. So the pub would have been just packed out. So there's a whole bunch of people there. And they brought 2 security and 2 police officers, and no one saw them or noticed them and didn't recognize them. Okay, so let's read this. The Duke and Duchess hit up the Rose and Crown in Windsor, England, and as you can see in photos obtained by TMZ exclusively, they blended right in with their infant son, Archie. Harry had a tight grip on Archie's car seat, while Meghan lugged some more baby gear during the family outing a few Sundays back, so it was 2 weeks ago. The royal tyke, who was less than 4 months old at the time, had a blanket and appeared to be napping. Instead of taking in a cricket or football match on the telly, we're told Archie kept really quiet for the 2 hours the family was there. Not a single peep out of the little guy, even when mom changed his nappy. That's what they call diapers. So Archie didn't make a sound. How strange. Mom and dad, Meghan the vegan, enjoyed a roast dinner, the house specialty, and Harry helped himself to a couple of pints while Meghan settled for water. That's suggesting that Meghan may be pregnant again. We're told they were treated just like all the other patrons who didn't bother the royals at all. So no waitress, the manager, no patrons snapped a pic like, oh my goodness, it's Harry and Meghan, and this is right down the street from Frogmore, and it's a tourist area, and a lot of people are cruising by Frogmore looking for sightings of Meghan and Harry, and there they are. Okay, so they weren't all that incognito with private security and 2 police officers. So Harry and Meghan and Archie plus the nanny came in, so 4 people, and then with them came 2 security officers, big beefy guys, and 2 police officers. But nobody noticed them. So 8 people. Let's take a look at these photos. I don't believe this is Harry. Meghan has very long, luscious hair. What is this tent she's wearing? Okay, and she's wearing shorts. Have we ever seen Meghan wearing shorts before this? It seems unlike Meghan. Why is the nanny's face blurred out? Okay, and a YouTuber did an analysis of Harry's face and his ears. This Harry's ears are higher than the real Harry's ears. Okay, we don't see her face, big, long, luscious hair. And the pictures are so blurry and bad. These are the security guys. Look how empty the restaurant is. And look at the sunlight. This looks like morning sunlight. This restaurant probably doesn't open until 10 a.m. So at 9 a.m., maybe they did a staged photo op. Who is this person taking the pictures? How come we can't see Meghan's face? We never see Meghan's face. Okay, this looks like a body double to me. These look like body doubles. Archie is sitting up on his own. How old is Archie? Is Archie old enough to sit up on his own? Here's the security guys having breakfast. They don't look like they're guarding their charges, and we still can't see Meghan's face. Security guys don't eat breakfast while you're eating. They stand guard because they can't guard if they're eating breakfast and so far away. The whole thing is just very strange. So let's take a closer look. Good day, YouTubers. Welcome back for a spot of royalty. Just looking at this picture, what a terrible blurry picture. Wow. How can that be, real? Let's just take a closer look and see what we see. Are these real photos? Or is this a Photoshop? Full-on Photoshop. Let's see what the cards want to say. Well, let's see what they want to say. Tell us about this. Tell us about this. These photos. Strength. Mother Earth. Mustard seed. Cornerstone. Snake. Fox. Hand in hand. Okay, so we've got the snake and the fox. Snake looks far ahead into the future and is the most clever card. Fox is also very clever. So fox moves the pieces around. Snake lies in the circumstance. So the two most clever cards are here. Deceiving all the people very cleverly. Strength. This can be Archie, baby, and the mama. Messages about baby and mama. Archie and, the family. Messages, putting out messages and showing that everything is real. They're creating a narrative that everything is real, but we have the clever deception cards deceiving all the people and looking far into the future. So this is definitely a deception. I had to turn my phone off. Are these body doubles? Let's make sure I got my... are these body doubles? Because that doesn't really look like Harry to me. And we never see Meghan's face. So let's throw Meghan and Harry, because Meghan could be real and Harry could be a body double, or both, or Harry could be a body double and Meghan could be real, even though we never see her face and she's wearing shorts and we've never seen her wear shorts before. And that's not very royal. Why, if you want to wear shorts, why not just wear a summer dress? Wouldn't that be nice? I mean, it's even cooler than shorts. On your legs and stuff. So let's throw Meghan and Harry. Are these body doubles? Meghan. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. Harry. Because some people are saying, oh well, that is Harry. Okay. So, oh man. Okay, are these body doubles? Meghan and Harry. So is this Meghan? No, it's definitely not Harry. No, not Meghan. I'm sorry, not Meghan. This long, luscious, thick hair. They went outside. It's not Meghan. They went outside. So 19 5 clubs, 2 or more, it's someone else. No, this is not Meghan. It's someone else. That's why we never see her face. Is this Harry? Well, we've got the innocent angel here. We have Trinity, 3. And we have Crossroads, 2 or more and 3. Trying to look like an innocent angel. 8 and 11, 19 5 clubs. So it's someone else. It's not Harry. Everybody's working together very, to look like an angel, giving the appearance of an angel. He's a very good facsimile of Harry. They feel like he's really good. And, yeah, okay, the Ibiza trip or Ibiza, we saw Harry's face. Okay, they feel like he's such a good match. We saw Harry's face. And we didn't see Meghan's face.
She was covering her face with a hat. So they just feel like he really looks like Harry. Okay, but it's not Harry. And here, hiding in the shadows, we have lying about the foundation of what's going on here. Lying about the foundation for spades and secrets. Lying about the foundation and secrets. So these are body doubles. Okay, the restaurant is so strangely empty. How is that restaurant going to be empty on a holiday where there's a bunch of tourists and everybody's looking for Meghan and Harry, and they live just down the street? So was this a staged event? Let's put it here, staged event. Okay, they did it on the morning. This looks like morning sunlight before they opened. Is this a staged event? All right, so player for the camera. So here in the hidden situation, officially secret executioner. Executioner is a very dark card, just doing it. A lot of deception here underneath officially. So 13 and 9, 22, 26, finger of God. It was ordered. This deception was ordered. So is it a staged event? Yeah, and four spades is also, the restaurant is closed. The restaurant's not open. It's dead inside. It's dead inside. There's no one else there. Yeah, so it is a staged event. So what do we have on the surface, you know, in front of our eyes? We have the player presents to the public. It's staged. Everything is staged. You know, a commitment to stage everything. 21 for the family. So yeah, it's just for the cameras, and this is staged photos, and they're so blurry. They don't want you to see Meghan's face because she doesn't look enough like Meghan. They feel like Harry. They got to show someone, so they're going to show Harry because they feel like he really looks like Harry. But his hair is a little thicker. His face is a little broader. You know, he has a good solid face, this guy. He has a nice square face. You know, he works out. And then there's Archie sitting up and Archie not crying. Why didn't Archie cry? Let's just see what the cards want to tell us. How come Archie didn't cry? Okay, and why is he sitting up? He's not old enough to sit up on his own. He needs to be held up. You know, you don't want to give the kid whiplash. Why didn't Archie cry? Okay, and the nappy was changed. I mean, surely that nappy should be wet or otherwise. And, you know, that's uncomfortable. I mean, babies don't like that. They cry. They say, hey, change my nappy. Okay, so why didn't he cry? Star of Bethlehem, karmic shift, scourge. A big change and a conflict in the future situation. 3 diamonds, everything working together in the family. So there's been a big change and a conflict in the future. Yeah, so their whole future has changed. They never could get their hands on Archie. Archie's not there. They could never get their hands on Archie. So this is a big change and a conflict. He's not crying because he's not there. Okay, and I would not be confident that that's a real, I would think that that's a baby doll, or, you know, and we never see Archie. They blurred his face out. He's sitting up. We only saw Harry, and they blurred this lady's face out. They blurred this lady's face out because they don't want you questioning her. They don't want the the media tracking her down and saying, hey, what really happened? Let's review. All right, so tell us generally about the photos. We have the two best deception cards. Very clever. They're deceiving the public. Okay, they're showing a solid family, and they keep doing this. Ibiza, Nice, the summer vacations. They're showing, a united family, a happy family. Meghan, Archie, and Harry. That's what they're showing us, but it's all deception. They're deceiving all the people. Until they're ready to come out and say, Meghan and I have decided to separate, they're just not going to let you in on what's going on. And they're going to show you, they're going to deceive the public intentionally. Are these body doubles? Okay, and that's what I think is going on. That's what I thought was going on beforehand, because this doesn't quite look like Harry, although he's a good facsimile. And this doesn't look enough like Meghan that we're ever going to see her face. And that baby, whether it's a doll or a real baby, doesn't look enough like either a real baby or the Archie that we're seeing so far, that you can show his face. Okay, so is this Meghan? No, it's definitely not Meghan. And this is someone from outside of the family. This is definitely not Meghan. Okay, and this is so 11 and 8, 19, well, 5 clubs again. Okay, so someone else, 2 or more options. Definitely not Meghan. Is this Harry? Well, he sure looks a lot like Harry, but it's somebody else. Okay, and again adds 5 clubs, 2 or more options. So they're lying. 6 spades is a liar. They're a bad relationship and lies. They're lying about the royal family. They're creating a lie for the royal family, and it's a secret. All right, is this a staged event? This looks like morning sunlight before they open. They probably don't open till 10:30. Nobody's going to come in. This is not a breakfast place. Okay, so it's a pub. People come in the evenings. This is not, Egg Spectacular or whatever. Okay, is this a staged event? Definitely. Definitely. Okay, the order was given, and it's an empty restaurant, and it's an official act. It's an official act, empty restaurant, and this is just for the public, everything just for the eye of the public, to deceive the public, deceiving the public. Why didn't Archie cry? Well, there's been a big change in the future plans. So I think they're not going to get Archie. I think they're not going to get the original Archie from the surrogate, and they're going to have to source another one. So they just simply don't have Archie, and that's the big change. Their plans have really changed with regard to Archie. Okay, big problems with Archie. Maybe the biggest, really big problems with Archie, and that creates a lot of conflict. So that's your royalty today. That's how I see it. I'm Joseph Magi, author of Playing Card Divination, Fortune Telling, The Magi Method. Find the book worldwide on Amazon and Kindle and paperback versions. Find the full color card deck used here on Etsy/Magi Method. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe, and comment.